In the ancient Sanskrit book, the Rig Veda, Srbinda is a mythical foe of the god Indra. He is mentioned briefly as a being slain in battle by Indra, along with Anasani, Pipiru, and Ahisuva, after which he let loose the flood. As the mythical founder of the Serbs, certain historians theorize that Srbinda is related to, and possibly the founder of, the Serbian nation. Besides the identical root, the fact that the name Srbinda structurally is identical to the modern Serbian word Srbenda, which is a superlative form of Serb, expressing a Serb who was thoroughly and uncompromisingly devoted to all things Serbian. Austrian historian Walter Wurst theorized in 1934 that Srbinda was a warlord and leader of the Serbs, based on the fact that the Serbs used the term Srbenda. He hypothesized that Srbinda and Srbenda were the same word, and that they meant someone great, strong, and the first among the Serbs, in line with the meaning of Srbenda. He also theorized that when the Veda text mentioned that after Indra defeats Srbinda, he let loose the floods, that the floods were a metaphor for a migration of people, in this case the Serbs migrating west. The Serbian historian Drasko Skekic stated that Srbinda is the oldest mention of the word Serb in history, and that Srbinda is an ancient Serbian word, predating the Sanskrit language.